Do you have any leftover pasta? Even if it's 2 or 3 different pastas. You made a ragu sauce, a meat sauce, you made tomato sauce, you made a cheesy sauce with your pasta, and you made way too much or your kids didn't eat it. Let's do a leftover pasta bake.
Pasta queen, the queen.
I made way too much sauce and pasta left over this weekend. I am going to use this to welcome a new neighbor I have in town, and I'm going to make him a killer pasta bake with a leftover meat sauce from my Nonna Caterina's family recipe.
Do we have to give it to the guy?
We'll see what happens. All you need is a baking dish, your pasta that's left over, a little bit of cheese of your choice. I chose mozzarella, provolone, and pecorino cheese. And you know what? I have some salami. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to chop into little pieces and then sprinkle it inside. Okay, there is something here. I've created this outfit with this Gucci scarf, but I have to kind of work it out a little bit better. But so far I'm impressed with myself. For this pasta bake, I'm going next level. I chose a salami that was infused with the Chianti wine. I mean, mamma mia. The salami, the provolone cheese, a bit of pecorino, mozzarella, a drizzle of olive oil, and now what you do is mix it all in so that all these little bits go and get lost in the beauty of this pasta bake. And this type of pasta is short and it's got a lot of surface that can be either filled by the sauce and all the little bits can fall inside. So you want to make sure it goes everywhere. I just added a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in case your pasta is a little dry, just to give it a little bit of moisture. Then you stick everything in. All right, so now that we have that beautiful provolone being sprinkled on top, I got some fresh mozzarella slices for the top, to get that melty effect that just makes you dream. Bake it in the oven at 380 for 15 to 20 minutes. I want to show you the crispiness of this. Come closer. Do you see this is the giant pennone, also called bombardone. It's a type of pasta that is like just giant penne slash giant rigatoni. Basically, it's just so crispy, you see? It's gorgeous, just like you are. Just gorgeous.
The queen.
Because sometimes it's hard.
No. Do we have to give it to
No, that was uncalled for.
Did I say anything?
You didn't have to. You're greedy. What do you mean? It's crispy.
No. Crispy means like it crocks. Like when you push it, it's supposed to go like.
Just like you are.
No.
Doesn't make any sense, right? That's what I'm talking about.